Hello everyone and welcome back. So yesterday we started with sum of n terms of an AP. We were adding up and finding the sum of the sequence when we add up the different terms of the when we add up all the terms of the sequence. Today I'll be telling you about this sum of n terms of a sequence. So just like for an AP you were given an, let's say there was a certain value of an, let's say 3n plus 5. So whenever you put the value of n here, put n equals 1. Okay, so you're putting n equals 1, you got a1, which was 3 into 1, 3 multiplied by 1 plus 5, which gave you 8. If you put n equals 2, you got a2, which is the second term of the AP, which was 3 into 2 plus 5, which is 6 plus 5, that is 11. Then you put n equals 3, which gave you a3, which is the third term, which is 3 into 3 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Can you see it's becoming an AP? So you got a1, a2, a3. These are the three terms of AP. Since you have a1 and you have a2, you can find the common difference d. D equals a2 minus a1. So common difference d can be calculated very easily, which is 11 minus 8. So the value of common difference d is 3. So this is how you are working with an to find the terms of an AP and the common difference of an AP. So I was given an and I used an by substituting the values of n as 1, 2 and 3. I got a1, a2 and a3. Using a1 and a2, I can easily find out the common difference d. Now even if I am told to find out any of the terms, let's say I am being asked to find out the 50th term of this AP. So A50 will be a plus 49d, or I can do it by just using this thing what I was given, an equals 3n plus 5. So A50 equals 3 into 50 plus 5. Both will give you the same answers. You can solve it and check it on your own. So today I'll be telling you something similar related to sum of n terms of an AP. So let's move to that only. So let's say if there's a certain value of Sn given to you, we'll take a question. No, first I'll tell you what is, let's say, Sn only. So Sn means sum of n terms of an AP where n is not specified and n can be any number. N can be any number. For a more clear understanding, I can tell you what is S6. Taking a smaller number so that I don't have to write much, S6 is the sum of first 6 terms of an AP. Sum of first 6 terms of an AP, which will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6. So this is S6. What will be S5? This will be the sum of 5 terms of an AP. So it will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. Okay, what will be S4? It will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. This will be the sum of first 4 terms of an AP. What about S3? This is the sum of first three terms of an AP, A1 plus A2 plus A3. S2, the sum of first two terms of an AP, A1 plus A2. What about S1? What if it's just S1? So you can see S6 means 6 terms, S5 means 5 terms, S4 means sum of 4 terms, S3 means sum of 3 terms, S2 means sum of first 2 terms. So S1 means simply the first term, which is A1, or you can also say A. So whenever it says S1, you have to be very clear with it that S1 is A1 only. It is the first term of an AP. Now something else that I wanted to show. What will you get if you do this S2 minus S1? So let's just solve it a little bit. The value of S2 is A1 plus A2. So S2 is A1 plus A2. And what do I have to subtract? I have to subtract S1. So what is the value of S1? You can see it here. S1 equals A1 or A. So I'll put A1 here. A1 minus A1 gets cancelled. So the value of S2 minus S1 clearly gives you the second term of the AP. And this can go on. If you do this, if you do S4 minus S3, you will get the third term. Let me show you how. S4 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 minus S3, sum of first three terms, which is A1 plus A2 plus A3. Let's open up this bracket. So S4 minus S3 will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 minus A1 minus A2 minus A3. Let's subtract. A1 minus A1 gets cancelled out, and minus A2 and plus A2 also get cancelled out, plus A3 and minus A3 also gets cancelled out. So what I am left with is S4 minus S3 equals what? What are we left with? A4. So quite easy to remember. You have to subtract the consecutive sums of the AP. So like S2 minus S1 gives you A2, S2 minus S1 gives you, S2 minus S1 is giving you A2, A1, A2 sorry. S4 minus S3 gives you A4. If you do the same with S3 minus S2, it will give you A3. If you do S5 minus S4, this is gonna give you A5, and this keeps going on. So let's have a look at an example. So the question says the sum of first n terms of an AP So this is the sum of first n terms, and we have to find the nth term and 25th term. And 25th term of AP. So as I already told, we'll put n equals 1 and n equals 2. The very first thing that we're going to do, first of all, what am I being provided with? The given data. I have been given the value of Sn. So let me use this Sn only first, Sn equals 3n square by 2 plus 5n upon 2. So if I substitute the value of n as 1, so if n equals 1, I will get s, instead of Sn I will get S1. And what is S1 equal to? It is equal to A1. So the first term of the AP will be 3 into 1 square upon 2 plus 5 into 1 upon 2, and this will be 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which gives you 3 plus 5 whole upon 2. So S1, which is equal to A1, is 8 by 2, that is 4. Coming to the calculation of S2, instead of n I'm gonna put 2. So if n equals 2, so the value of S2 we'll be getting, which will be 3 into 2 ka square divided by 2 plus 5 into 2 again divided by 2. So here what we can see is 2 and 2 get cancelled, and this will be 3 into 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Again we cancel out, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So okay, I'm sorry, this 2 was cancelled. I have rewritten it. So this will be 3 multiplied by 2 gives you 6 and plus 5. So the value of S2 that we are getting here is 11. So I have S1, I have S2. Now I can find A2. So what is the value of A2? A2 is given by S2 minus S1, which will be 11 minus 4. So the value of A2 is 7. The value of A2 is 7. I already had A1. A1 was equal to S1. What was our A1? Which it was equal to 4. A1 was 4. It's right here. S1 equals A1, which is equal to 4. So A1 is 4, A2 is 7. In order to find out any other term of the AP, or even to find out the nth term of the AP, I need to find the common difference. So I'll find out the common difference, which is D, that is equal to A2 minus A1. So common difference is 7 minus 4 and D equals 3. So the value of the common difference is 3. Now whatever they have asked me to find, what was it? Let's check out. The question says find the nth term and the 25th term of the AP. So let's find out the nth term first. Nth term is an. An is a plus n minus 1 d. So 4 plus n minus 1 into 3, which will be 4 plus 3n minus 3. 4 minus 3 will give you 1, and plus 3n. This is the value of nth term of the AP, or simply an. An equals 1 plus 3n. Coming to the other part of the question, which says that also find 25th term of the AP. So A25, something really easy. A25 equals A plus 24D so it will be A, which is 4 plus 24, and D is 3. So 4 plus 24 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 So 4 plus 3 to the 6 and 7, 4 3 to 12, which gives you 76. So the 25th term of the AP is 76. That's it. So it's quite easy, and you may practice some more such questions on your own. Okay, and for any further doubts, you may contact me. I'll be providing you with more such questions. Thank you and stay connected.